Greetings, algebra. What's up? I've been making some geometry videos. Now it's time to make some algebra videos. Last unit, we were solving quadratics by graphing. This unit, or I shouldn't say unit, but this section or this part of our unit, which is all on solving quadratic equations, this one is going to be solving by factoring. Right. We've all factored before. We had an entire unit on factoring. Well, now we're revisiting it. We're going to solve a quadratic equation by factor. First thing I'm going to show you, couple things. Number one, I'm painting my basement, keeping myself busy during the quarantine. Okay, find something constructive to do around the house, help out, just like I'm sure all you are at home, helping out. That's what I'm doing. A lot of work in the yard, painting, spending some quality time with the family, going for walks, playing some baseball, some hockey in the driveway, wearing Under Armour. I had to point this out in my last one too. I don't know what's going on. Under Armour has not called me about the sponsorship. I'm now making worldwide videos that can go out on the web worldwide. Everybody's going to see it. I'm wearing Under Armour. I should be hearing a call. Hey, here's some money. You're sponsored now. Or still, sorry, forgot. I've always been sponsored. All right. What were we talking about? Solving quadratic equations by factoring. Quadratic equation. What form is that written in? That's a quadratic equation. What form? Intercept form. We graph these. Remember, you would set those equal to 0, solve. You got your 2x intercepts. You find your line of symmetry. You find your vertex. Whoop. What we're doing in this unit, though, is we're not graphing. We're solving by factoring. That looks like it's factored already. Boom. Where are the solutions to a quadratic equation? Well, yeah. Where, I mean, like if we're graphing it on a graph. If we've got a parabola, where are the solutions? Hopefully you watched my video last week. That's been deleted. I had to start a new YouTube channel. Whatever. Okay, but if you watched it, or even if you did like I did that little screencast thing where I was drawing on it, we talked about the solutions being right there. Those are the x-intercepts. What is the y-coordinate there and there? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, -6, 0, 3, 0 would be the solutions there. It's when y is 0. So what we want to know is when is y 0? So now here's our equation. Well, if this was 0, 0 times anything is 0. If that was 0, 0 times anything is 0. It's called the zero product property. If you multiply one of these things by 0, you're going to get 0. So what makes this 0? Well, what makes x plus 3 equal 0? If I plug in -3. What makes x minus 5? 0. Add 5 to the other side if x equals 5. Yeah, that's it. Set the factors equal to 0 and solve. If we were to graph this parabola, the parabola would intersect the x-axis at -3 and 5. -3, 5. All right, the next video, I'm going to factor and then solve. This one was already factored for you. Wow. 4 minutes and 37 seconds.